Let's turn to today's good news story from there. After winning silver for India in wrestling, Ravi Dahiya has become a household name. What we are now witnessing is his success with the silver medal at Tokyo. The hard work, the dedication, the determination, and the remarkable journey that he's done from a village in Haryana to the podium in Tokyo is something to behold. Remember, he started in even Chhatrasal Stadium, living in a 12 by 12 feet room that he shared with other wrestlers. Today, Abhishek Anand takes you through Ravi Dahiya's Olympic journey.
Blood, sweat, tears, and finally, glory. The making of silver medalist Ravi Dahiya started from an akhada in Sonipat when he was just 6 years old.
Look at this makeshift arrangement, how this akhada has been made. Such kind of akhadas in Haryana are very common, and this fact is very common that despite all the odds, people from this area are becoming international level athletes and wrestlers and boxers.
Ravi, a shy kid, was the favorite of his coach.
रवि जिसको बोलते हैं तो उसका मुनी नाम रखा हमने।
मुनी?
हाँ, मुनी।
अच्छा।
प्रेमी। क्योंकि वो हम उससे प्रेम करते थे, भूरा सा था, कच्चा बच्चा था और हमारे मन को मोहता था। हाँ, जो बताते थे उसको बहुत जल्दी पकड़ता था, तो उसको मुनी कहने लगे।
And now, when a wrestler from their own akhada has made his name in Olympics, young kids aspire to emulate.
कब से ये पहलवानी कर रहे हैं?
2 साल से।
कितनी पहलवानी और करनी है अभी?
बहुत करनी है।
कितनी करनी है?
जब तक गोल्ड नहीं ला लेते जब तक करेंगे।
अरे वाह, ये जो मिट्टी लगी हुई है गाल पे, दिक्कत नहीं करती है? नहीं, मेडल लाने का इरादा है?
गोल्ड।
Inspired by the likes of Sushil Kumar and Yogeshwar Dutt, Dahiya moved to Delhi at the age of 12 to train and stay at the revered Chhatrasal Stadium. He still lives in a small 12 by 12 feet room with 4 teammates.
You can see this is a 12 by 12 feet cabin in which 4 wrestlers live together. And there are 2 beds, and I can show you that most prominently there is a Indian tricolor placed in this room as well.
After his Tokyo triumph, Dahiya is back at the stadium and has already set his eyes on the World Championship and 2024 Olympics.
जी हम स्टेप बाय स्टेप चल रहे हैं। अभी वर्ल्ड चैंपियनशिप है, अगले साल कॉमनवेल्थ गेम्स, एशियन गेम्स है, फिर 2023 में क्वालिफाई आ जाएंगे और 24 में ओलंपिक गेम्स है। तो हम स्टेप बाय स्टेप जाएंगे, तो मतलब उस तरीके से हम आगे बढ़ते चलेंगे।
From the dangals in Sonipat to the mats in Chhatrasal Stadium to finally the podium in Tokyo, Ravi Dahiya has already inspired multiple generations of young wrestlers. From humble beginnings in Sonipat to scaling glory at the age of 23. The Ravi Dahiya story may have just begun. With Abhishek Anand in Sonipat and Kumar Kunal in Delhi, Bureau Report, India Today.
Just so many wonderful stories of the journeys that our sportsmen, Olympic sports persons have made.